So we're back once again. Drive shafts today. As you know, when we're on our way down to Mark McCann's car show, drive shafts shit themselves. So we're going to start with the drive shafts. If we get time, we'll get onto the exhaust. Sadly, we lost all the footage of the drive shafts, so we're now going to be moving straight onto that exhaust pipe. So let's get her unpacked. So a massive thank you to Scorpion who sponsored us this exhaust. So here we go. Let's give you a show. This was meant to be a moderate exhaust. However, there's a distinct lack of any kind of silencers throughout it. So it's very nice. So, Elliot, do they pass the fist test?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Bit on that.
Bit of a size difference.
That's literally it.
There's two little
back boxes. There's one off, isn't there?
bit of Scorpion.
We've got Dan the Ross man working on the car, but we're all just looking in pipe. Anybody wants a catalytic converter? It's up for sale. If not, I'm scrapping it.
Well, Mustang as well. Oh, that is filth.
So yeah, big thanks to Scorpion for sponsoring this one. We haven't got a discount code for this one, like we did with the Ram Air, but this is a lot more expensive than the Ram Air, so.
Just touch it, see if it's hot, Harry.
Yeah, the suction thing, not that it matters if it snaps, right? No. Just trying to get it off there, I'm cutting it.
Both round it off.
This one's got to come off, that one, I don't know about that one. That's from that cat to that cat. Yeah. I can see your camera. Yeah. Not much cat in the cat.
Not much cat in the cat. Scrape that out a bit if you wanted as well.
Yeah.
Well, you need to scrape out in there.
You've got a broom handle, do a straight pipe.
Yeah.
Elliot, just put your hand on the exhaust, hold it for him.
Yeah, 1 second. I tried to get Harry to do that, why would I do it myself?
Yeah, I think I might
I thought you were genuinely going to touch it then. I was like, yes.
Yeah, lick your finger first, you'll be alright. Yeah? So after copious amounts of heat, we still couldn't get that second bolt off the catalytic converter. So as we're not using this cat, we just got out the reciprocating saw, cut it off, save ourselves some time. Now when these original ST exhausts are fitted, they're actually fitted before the subframe as one piece, which means to get them off, we've got to cut the pipe. So yeah, Harry had a go, but in the end, Dan the Rust man finished it. Oh, that was close to your fingers. So then we just needed to disconnect the lambda sensor, and that was it. The centre section could come out then, and we could look at the rest of the exhaust. So I'm telling myself it was a good thing that we were changing this exhaust anyway. On the side where Dan is just there, the exhaust had actually cracked right through where they join. It's a common fault on these STs, so I had to replace it just because, you know, it was damaged. I didn't want to weld it. I needed to put a new exhaust on it. So mandatory YouTube exhaust swap. You've got to do a start with no exhaust, don't you? So let's give it a listen. So luckily this Scorpion exhaust goes back in sections, so the first thing we did was we bolted the new cat in there, got that hanging on the rubbers, and then we could go through and connect it up piece by piece. So we started with that centre section, got that bolted up to the cat, got that all lined up. Once that was done, we moved to the little U-bend that goes up and over the subframe. That goes then into the back box, and then finally, once the back box is on, we can look at moving on to the exhaust tips. And I have to say, at this point, that new back box was a hell of a lot lighter than the old one.
Yeah, because I don't fanny about like you.
Yeah, well, man's on as well, so. Oh, it's a bit wonky.
What are we going? Level to the back or? Yeah, I can't imagine. Look at that much going.
It's a 5.5 inch. It's slightly different diffuser, I think, don't they? So
Yeah, so the 5.5 inch don't really fit with the STs, you'd have to cut them out.
look at the fucking size of that thing.
A wonky one. Yeah, I'm going to tell him every time. Yeah, you don't need. No. No.
I'm sure we timed it all up.
Find out.
Look at tread on them as well. Get the moisture.
Alright, we're going to take it back up, we'll just do everything underneath. Put the under tray back on.
So here we go, she's coming down for the final time. We'll give you a little bit of a before sound, and then we'll go into what she sounds like now.
Come on, you. Sit. 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 Just to sit. Really nice.
That's it from me. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Our channel is growing every week, so it's really great to have you here. I'll see you next week.